This orange is new harvest. It's sweet, fresh, and super yummy
Yummy, yummy.
sweetness. He making this juice for fresh juice. It's too much. What that guy? Oh. He make he want some orange and he want to eat.
Okay.
But this time he making fresh juice from the orange, which is new harvest at the farm. And this orange is very delicious, very sweet. Mr. Vijaya,
Hi.
how many kilo that you make every day?
20 kilo.
20 kilo every day.
20 kilo. Today
Oh.
only, today 20.
He is the juicer here in our company.
Orange juice.
He making fresh juice. It's very sweet.
Orange juice.
This is good for your health.
Masarap.
20 kilos every day. Oh,
Sometimes 25, 30.
sometimes 25 or 30.
Yeah,
Oh.
today is only 20.
Actually, maybe I think this one is 30 kilo. Not 30 kilo. Oh, fresh juice. Fresh juice from fresh orange. New harvest at the farm. Wow.
My big boss coming.
This one our boss. Boss Ahmad.
Lemon, ha? Lemon.
Boss Ahmad, hi.
Lemon, haram.
Okay. Kalasawi orange juice. Fresh, fresh, fresh. From the farm.
Ahmad orange. This is
Ahmad orange.
Ahmad Yaiwa. Good, very good, very good. Kuha is mi Amia.
Gandu, ana?